The 2011 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, AM/FM CD, DVD, HDD, MP3 stereo with navigation, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, leather seats, sunroof, power seat, ventilated front seats, rear view camera, heated mirrors, heated rear seat, tire pressure monitoring system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.